Hey, so you want to know why good technique is important and why I've been trying to learn it? Look at this shit. Look what I did to my beautiful A custom. It gets worse than that though. What I did to my AAX. Yeah. It's pretty shitty, right? I'm gonna fix that shit though. You know how? Fucking Dremel! Alright, I got my safety glasses on, and I'm ready to make these cuts. My fingers are about to fall off because it's so cold. Let's go. As you can see, I got a crack right there. Oh, yep, right there. And right there. I'm gonna Dremel around this perimeter. Out of focus. Now it's in focus. I'm gonna Dremel around this perimeter. That way it stays kind of smooth. Hopefully it doesn't crack in the future, because I won't be hitting it like shit anymore, because I've learned my fucking lesson. Sorry for the harsh language. Maybe I'll beep it out. I don't fucking know. So, my GoPro died while I was doing this shit, but I'm pretty much all done. I'm just finishing up the edges on the Sabian right here. Turned out pretty nice, if I say so. Actually, I'm stupid. This is a Zildjian. The Sabian's underneath, but still, turned out pretty nice. The other side over here. So yeah. Happy about that. Alright, so I've been playing these for a few months, and the repairs are holding up. It's the A custom. Can't really get that to focus. I'm on my phone, but yep. It's that one. It's beautiful. Oh. And the AAX is looking good as well. I really like how it turned out. Actually looks pretty cool. Can't hear the cracks anymore. No sizzle. All shimmer. I don't know, but thought I would put this at the end of the video. Give you a nice look at how it's held up. So yeah, great way to fix your cymbal and not have to spend another $250 to $300 on a piece of metal. That sounds pretty. Yep, so there you go.